Apa zigodokuyo.
Yasithetha cheat.
Abadi ndonisumbeza yona apha ka-YouTube. Oh, ndobona ora vhathu vha khou lilela not. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Yeah, I was eating and I was talking to someone with a call, so.
Oh no, it's okay, don't worry. It's okay. I said it's fine, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so where do we start? As you can see here. And I want you first to show me what you understand, teach you what I see or you're struggling with, or I will tell you if they are good. Before we can even agree here, we're going to take a trade and see what we are learning is working.
Okay.
Yeah.
So looking at the chart that you've got here.
I opened chart on that side. I want to see your screen. Let me make you a host so that you can
open.
Or let me give you the mouse and the keyboard in here. Yeah, you can.
On trading view, right?
Yeah. Can't you use my controllers in here?
Oh, okay. Okay, let me try use yours. Oh. So can you see if I draw on the screen?
Yeah, I can. So I can see your drawings.
Okay. So from what I understand from this chart, we were looking at the pattern of how the market is moving, and then you said that sometimes the market will form like an M shape, right? So like let's say if it goes down and then it goes up again and then it comes back down again, like the chances are that it's going to go up here now. So we need to, you see, we need to what do you call it? Where you try to buy over here, we need to now get our buying position over here, because judging from the pattern of how the market is moving, it's going to go up, right?
Yeah.
This is looking at the 24, when you put it on the 24-hour thing.
Yeah, it's
and then
24 hours.
Yeah, and then you would zoom in. I think you said you would zoom in to the 4-hour at this point here, right? You would zoom into the 4-hour at this point when you now want to buy, to see where you're going to buy. And then you also mentioned how the support and the resistance. I know that the floor is support, right? And the ceiling of the chart is resistance, where the market doesn't go above or below the floor and the ceiling.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, that's where the video stopped.
Okay, so you can clear the screen there. I want to show you something I understood. So
yeah,
in order to agree, you just know, okay, this thing is on the 24 hours time frame, something like this. You understand?
Yeah.
Like this, then okay, it's on the 24 hours time frame, and you want to find the support and the resistance. I want to show you clearly how to find the support and the resistance, and find it because of I can see now you just put a line like this. You just say okay on the ceiling, but you don't point things. You say something like this. Yes, it's correct, but there are something that are missing. Something like this gap from here to here, even from here to here is a gap. You see, so this is where the market to what means. Even in here, in future, the market can even take this length on here in order to go up, you understand? And found that this one, it was just a breakout if the market ended up going in again. So in order to find a support and the resistance, you see how the market, it will be going down like this. Let me show you. The market start by going down like this. I do have a video on my YouTube channel. It's just that I didn't send it. It shows you very well. The market will be going down agree to go up a little bit. Let me just use this pencil. Go down,
Yeah.
up. Let me like this way. Up, down, up,
Mm-hmm.
up, down. Something like this. You'll find that the market is falling like this. This is where you don't
Yeah.
find support and resistance. Even if this can go like this, you can the support and the resistance easily. That can
Yeah.
be able. In order to find those support and the resistance, you will find that the market is going up and then come to the same position again where it started to go down. You see here, it started to go down. And then on this level, it starts to go down again. It repeats itself.
Yeah.
And then when it goes down, you wait. It's a confirmation. You have to confirm if this is what we do, a rearranging. Understand? So the market will come from here to here, from here to here. Again, it will go up. You see, this is a W. Now it's a W.
Yeah.
It's not you are not sure even if it's a consolidation or a what. So the market will go again and go down. This is a, and then the market will go again up.
Yeah.
And the support and resistance is where the market approximately was hitting same level.
Okay.
And then let me do like this. Yeah. It hit it for the first time. Some of the people, they call it touches. This is the first touch. This is the second touch. This is the fourth touch. And here is final touch on the top. You understand? So what we are trading, we are going to risk because of we see on this level, on this line, the market touch and go down, touch and go down. What we are going to, we're going to say we are going to risk. Even here, we think the market will do what? Will touch and go down, where we are going our entry of a sell. You understand? So even agree for sell, even for the buy, still the same. We look where the market is touching. This is the support now. I get on resistance, on the resistance. Even here, we found the support. We see where the market hit multi times. And we don't mean we'll do like this always or why. There's where the market will do what? Will do a breakout in order to do what? To perform the same thing like this. The same thing like this. Like you see, it was trending down. It was going down. Is it going a little and then down, little up and long down. And then this thing, it will be repeating itself after this consolidation. After this consolidation, it will be happening. You understand? After you found the resistance, we call it a breakout because of it didn't go up anymore when it comes to it just break out of the day shape. You understand? And what is going to happen after this kind of thing? It will be a long sell, and it will go for a long time, or it will go for a big space. Because of even here, it went for a big space until it found the support and the resistance or the consolidation that is here. You understand? So how you find your support and the resistance, and why this is happening, and why this thing after consolidating is still going down is because of the bigger time frame. It says it's a sell. That's why this consolidation happened and then end up doing what? End up still going down, break out with a downtrend. You understand? It end up breaking with a downtrend because of the bigger time frame. It says the market will go down. On the what? On the bigger time frame, what you're gonna see? You're gonna see such things like you will just see the spikes and everything. You just see this big candle like this. But in these big candles, when you go to the smaller time frame, that's where you find this kind of structure where the market is going down, consolidate, go down, consolidate, go down. When it means it is doing what? It will release another candle in the bigger time frame. Find your support and resistance, and there is no risk management now. So sometimes we don't trade only with support and resistance. Let's say now you want to take a trade. Né? If you want to take it, you're going to take a trade right here. Agree you're going for a sell because of the bigger time frame set is a sell. You're going to take a trade here.
Yeah.
And then there is something that I call it a confirmation. And confirmation is when this, let me cancel this. A confirmation is when this market went down a little bit, already left the what? The resistance. Means this market is telling me, oh yeah, I'm confirming for you that I'm going down. Agree it left the level already.
Yes.
What was happening before, it is about to happen. So that's where I take my trade. I will take my trade here. When I will say my stop loss is here where the market started to go down. Why? Because of if this confirmation and my signal is not going well, I don't need to lose more money. My take profit will be here. Because of this is too far, maybe I'm going to make something like $100 from here to here. But from here, where the market started to go, maybe it's $10 or $20 loss, you understand? So I'm saying this market, I agree, we are not sure if this market is going to go down or up. But what we can do, we want to be safe. We want to just lose a certain amount. So if this market, you will find sometimes this trend was going to do what? Retest, go up. Retest, go up. Retest, up. And sometimes you'll find that this consolidation that was happening, it was where the market was changing the direction to a buy in the bigger time frame. You understand? It's changing the direction for a buy. That's why I'm putting my stop loss here, saying if this market has this point, means I lost. I don't want to trade. I don't want to take a sell anymore. And I will wait for I will do what? I will analyze again and see what is happening and what is coming out. You understand? But if this thing keep on going from here to here, this is why I'm going to take a profit. Why I'm taking a profit here? Because of mostly this market on this level is starting to go up. On this level, it might go up. So I must take my here. You understand? Here is too far from here. This is a big space. This is a small space. Means you make more than you can lose. Or you risk small, make big.
Okay.
Call it a risk management.
I get it. So what if it was a buy position, not a sell? Where would the stop loss and the take profit be? It would be the other way around.
Yes, if it was a buy position, let me clean this chart a little bit. If it was a buy position, if it was a buy position, means your entries is going to be this side for a buy. You're not going to buy. This is where you're going to take your entries. Means you're not gonna be focusing on what? This one won't be there by that. Let me delete it. This maybe this candle or maybe this trend is not visible. Means by that time currently you are on the support. You're about to buy. You're going to do a confirmation. It's just opposite, you understand? You're going to do a confirmation and say, now the market left the support a little bit.
Yes.
When it left the support a little bit, this is where you are going to take a buy. And then this is going to do what? To put your stop loss of a buy. So here you are going to take a profit.
You put the stop loss where? At the bottom, right? And then the take profit will be at the top.
On the top. You understand? Because of this, we did it on the sell. Means if this market was seen going up, means if it's starting to go down, because of any time the market can break out, anytime this movement can happen. Doesn't matter is after how many trends of consolidation. No, it can happen here, it can even happen here. Understand? Even here, the market can just retest a little bit and then start to go down. That's why you do what? You have to put your stop loss around here on the support. Understand? Is where you started to trade here. You took a trade here. You said your stop loss is here. Your take profits is on the top here. Understand? If you say your take profit is here, it's where the market break out the consolidation. On where you take the profit is where the market mostly start to shrink down. That's how it is. So we are going to. You want to ask?
No, I understand it.
Okay, so we are going to do what? We are going to the bigger time frame. Let me say on the bigger time frame, you saw that the market, this thing is happening even on the bigger time frame. It's not only on the smaller time frame. On the smaller time frame, we use the smaller time frame. Is because of the smaller time frame. Let's say you are using maybe small money. Already money, let me show you this clearly. Let's say this is the market. And then bigger time frame. Even if you can check, we do have a calculator. I'll show you a calculator to calculate everything before you can even can know or you lose how much and everything. From here in the bigger time frame to here in the 24 hours time frame, when you see it can be thousands of dollars or $100,000. But if it is a small frame, it's going to be some few dollars from just here to the pips are are big on the bigger time frame.
Can you explain what pips mean?
These numbers that are on the right side of the screen, this many just reading.
Okay.
Are pips. So if you are on the smaller time frame and you take a trade from here to here, it will take maybe less than 2 minutes. Market to hit from here to this point. With the smaller time frame means you can trade even with $10, $5. But on the bigger time frame, if you analyze, you'll find that a lot is happening in the smaller time frame. And then we have bigger time frame, we say, okay, this is our bigger time frame. Now we saw the support and the resistance in the bigger time frame. Like we are analyzing, and then we found support and the resistance. You see here, let's say we are about to take a sell. You see this market here. The lot happen. Because of the bigger time frame, we just see something like this candle, this right candle. But we don't see how we're gonna take a trade. The lot is happening here. We do have to do what? In our mind, we're going to say now the market on the bigger time frame is on the resistance. So we go to the smaller time frame. When we go to the smaller time frame, we are going to look for the same thing. Agree on the bigger time frame, we said we're going to take a sell here. We're going to take a sell here. So we go into the frame, same thing. We look for same thing and say we're going to take a trade here. And then on the smaller time frame is where we can say, even if on the smaller time frame, the market is going up. And the bigger time frame said, we're going to sell. You are going to wait for the market to hit this point if the market is still going up. And even if it go up and break out, you don't have to worry about that. It can break out, maybe go.
We still take a sell.
Yeah?
It will still be a sell.
Yes, it's still going to be a sell. I agree the market is respecting the bigger time frame. And it's like what you saw on the bigger time frame, you said, okay, the market will sell. And then what happened here? You see this spike, this last spike of the 24 hours, this one.
Yeah.
It was a buy. It was a buy in the time frame. It was a buy going like this. It was buy going like this. So the market, when you see it now, the other spike on the top, it is the sell. Started to go down. Going up for a long, it started to go up, down. To go down like this. So in the bigger time frame, it shows a spike. It doesn't show the chart. You understand? choose just so here is a risk management. Let's say now you said, okay, I see the market is buying, but I saw the sell on the bigger time frame. What do you have to do? You see the market is just buying right now and you have to sell in the bigger time frame. It means it will sell for some times. I mean, it will buy sometimes, something like this. It will go up, do a spike in the bigger time frame, and then when it starts to go down, just because of it is respecting what is happening in the bigger time frame. This sell bigger than the buy. You'll see the sell become bigger than the buy. I want to show you on the chart what I'm talking about. You see what is happening here on the last it's an uptrend. You see from here to here, only green candles. And then when I analyze, many people who are using candles to trade, when they analyze, they will say, we predict that there will be another green candle here. There will be another green candle, you understand? So when it will be another green candle, means, agree, from here, you can see the buyers are more than the sellers. The green candles are more than the red candles, means the market will go up. Why it is like this? It's because of when it sells, it just sells for small space. But when it buys for a big space, sell for a small buy for a big space. That's why you can see this happening in the bigger time frame. I want to show you. Let's go to, sometimes I just jump the time frames because of you will find that 4 hours is the same as 24 hours. So I want to see that time frames doesn't work to trade. You just have to, you just use them to view the what? The chart, the candles and the chart, how it is trending. I want to show you this. You see here is the buyers. There are more buyers than the sellers. As you can see, the sellers, they are coming, but they don't end well. They just here, but the buyers, they keep. You can see many trends is for the buyers. You understand? You see the buyers here. Here is the buyers. Let me just use the pencil, the brush. Here is the buyers. It's bigger than the sell that happened after them. And here is the buyers. And then here is the sell. And then again, buyers, more buyers. And the sell is more. That's why you see many green candles in the what? In the bigger time frame. Trend is the one that are making those candles in the bigger time frame. I guess this time frame is different from the 24 hours time frame. Everything changed, but someone can't even see what is happening. You understand? So now you say, I want to get what we call, I want to get the support and resistance. You can find the support and the resistance everywhere you want. Even here, you can find your support and resistance like this. You can find your support and resistance here. You can find your support and resistance with bubbles.
Okay.
You can find support and resistance here. You can see.
So with the time frames, right? With the 24-hour, 30-minute, 1-hour time frames, right? What it basically means is that the candles took 30 minutes to form.
Like on the 30, let me say this is let me take 1 hour. In order for the candle in the 24 hours time frame to form, need how many candles in the 1 hour? It will need 24 candles in the 1 hour. Means after every 24 candles in here, the 24 hours release the candle. The 4 hours, in 4 hours, after every 4 hours, and then it release the candle. You understand? Means, let's say on 1 minute, it must be 5 candles in order to make 1 minute candle. And now 6 past. Now it's 6 past. 10 past. 10 past, the candle will be released on the 5 minutes time. And pass the candle. Agree, you see there is a candle here. The green candle is going up and down because of its fast. 10 pass on here, it will be releasing another candle. You understand? So that's why you see them like means when the time is going on, the market will be releasing, let me say every 5 minutes, the green candle is being released, and then in 15 minutes, let me say in 15 minutes, after maybe 3 candles in 5 minutes, in 15 minutes, 1 candle will be released.
Okay, I get it.
That's how it works. So even here, 10 past, the candle will be released. You understand? So now I'm not trading the candles because of they are confusing. When you are trading the candles, I'm trading the candles, but in the other way. I can't say I'm candles, but I do check some candles and do whatever they do with candles. So in 1 minute, I wanted to find the support and
what's the difference between like volatility 25 index 1 and volatility 75 index 30 or something? What does it mean?
the chart are not going the same. Means their or their companies that they are running are not the same. It's like shop spa, they are not the same. So means they they won't be the same. They are not investing in things. Can make money on both of them. So you can find the support and the resistance anywhere in the chart. Here I found, okay, the market was going up here. And then when I check again, even here, and when I check again, even here, it tried. I agree, it's just a uptrend. So this chart won't be straight. It will go like, it will be like it is going up like this. You'll find other people, they draw the lines like this. I think you can see them. You'll find them in the trend line. They say it's a trend line, something like this. They will do like this and like this. Same as the support and the resistance. It's just that the market, because of the buyers are winning more than the sellers, the market must be like this. You understand? We find many people doing something like this. They are still right, and you can even still use this method. So now I'm going to show you what is happening with this thing. So now when you draw your support and resistance like this, what you're going to say, you're going to say, okay, I'm going to wait for this market to go down. When it comes to this point, I'm going to buy something like that. Something good. It is still going down and you want to buy. Here you're going to sell and then you're going to buy. It's the same as the support and the resistance. So what is happening now and what you must be careful of is a fake breakout. Where the market doesn't charge where you said it will charge. It will not charge where you said it will charge. No. It might start to go up right here where it is now. You understand? So you have with risk management. It means you're opening a space, a slot to say, I'm gonna lose this much. That's why you say, how much can I fund? You understand? Because of this space, that is here you'll find that is costing maybe $20 or $10.
Yes.
So if you put your stop loss on this line, means you're going to do what? You're going to lose $20.
Okay.
Understand? So as you can see now, the market is still doing what on this point. Some of them, they wait for the market to do what? To go and touch the line. Now I don't wait for it. Why? Because of I'm saying, okay, I do have $50. And this space that is left, even if it can hit the line, I'm going to lose $20. So I don't mind losing $20 because of sometimes it can't even touch this line. I just buy. Just like this. I just buy from here. Because of $50. Even this thing, it can pass and then come back. I'm still a profit without losing my account. So other people they understand when it comes to this. They think maybe you just have to do what? You just have to buy or sell without checking how many pips are left to touch the support or whenever. You see, that's how they lost. And a lot of them is the beginners. They lost when
Mhm.
this point. And this is, if I buy now, this is where I'm going to put my stop loss already. Here I put my take profit.
Okay.
This is where I'm going to buy.
What if over here and where you put your stop loss, right? What if it actually went, it kept going down?
If it keeps going down, means my stop loss hit it, and then I lost $20. I relax, and then I leave it, keep on going down. It can go down until this point. You see here, it can go down until this one, until it respects position. But at the end of what is gonna happen? It can hit this one, or not even this one, maybe more than this one. But at the end of it's going to go up.
So you just still wait for your buy.
I will wait for my buy until a bigger time frame is telling me. That's why I can take 1 day or 2 days without trading until my bigger 24 hours change to show me that that thing that you saw in the bigger time frame wasn't going to sell or wasn't going to buy. Agree on the bigger time frame, I'll be saying the market is buying. Agree, so we saw many buyers. So now in 2 days, you will be saying the whole 3 days the market is selling. Means that market, that thing, it wasn't going to do what? It wasn't going to buy. It was changing a direction to a sell. So I have to buy until I see what? I see my bigger time frame give me the candles that are telling me that the market is going to sell. Agree? See, bigger time frame, it was selling for a big, and then now we said it's gonna buy. I will find on my bigger time frame. Let me show you. Agree? You see, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think it's 5 candles that are green. On the bigger time frame, maybe in 3 days or 5 days, I'll see other candles that are many than which one? That are many than the buyers. Means the sellers are taking place. So I have to analyze again and say, I saw a buy, but now it seems like the sellers are still taking a place.
So what about, instead of waiting for your buy, you said you can sometimes wait 2 days without trading. What about, instead of waiting for the buy, you just sell immediately as the market's going down? Or should you just wait for the buy to go back up?
If your strategy is telling you, I'm a swing trader, I have to hold for some days. So if you're telling you, okay, the market is still selling, some of the people, they can analyze and sell. Even me, I can analyze and sell, but I know that I won't sell for good. All of the sudden, buying, because if I can hold this sell, if it hits this point and then it start to go up. You understand?
Yeah.
The sellers won't eat more than the buyers. I get the buyers, they were short. So they will make profit. But when it comes to the buy, it's us who are buyers gonna make profit more than the sell, because of the buy is more than the sell.
Okay.
You can make a profit even when the market, others they are buying, others they are selling. You can make profit with all the action. You can make profit with a sell, because of the market won't go straight. There is no way the market can just go like this. The market will still go down. So when from here to here, you can make a profit of a sell. It's a scalping. They call it short sell. And then the market, when it goes up, I just enter here with my buy. I'll be entering here and then leave it running. From here, when you are busy scalping, you are busy scalping. That's how it is.
Okay. Okay.
So this one is there is a retest. Ne? When I say it's a retest, it's where I can send you 10 signals or 20 signals a day. It's like, let me show you with this chart. Ne? When the market is going up and then down, up, down. I agree there is no that thing, that consolidation. There's no support and resistance, as you can see. So it doesn't mean I trade. No, I wait for the market to go down. When the market goes down like this, I enter here and I wait for the confirmation, a little bit confirmation, because I know the market will be repeating itself. It will be doing
Yes.
going up. So I wait for the confirmation, a little confirmation, and then I do what? I enter here. Means where the market started to go up here is my stop loss. My TP, I will find it around in here on top here. This is what I can take the profit and then I leave it running. Means I signal here for a buy. After I give here. And then after I give here. So that's how we grow the small account. Agree?
What do you mean after
you entered here with your $10, you put maybe 2 trades.
Yeah.
When I give a signals again, you enter again with some 2 trades. When I give again, you enter again with 2 trades. So that account will grow nicely. And the market is giving us the opportunity to grow account because of it's going smoothly. It doesn't do this thing of the consolidation going down and then going up and then showing weird movement. It's just going straight, showing us, or I'm repeating myself until to this point. That's how it works.
Okay, so I noticed in the group yesterday you said some signals where you said, okay, so you said volatility 75, right? Then
Yes.
you said buy at thing, stop loss in this, take profit at this. So that you'll be putting into your MetaTrader 4.
Yeah, 5, because we are trading volatility. MetaTrader.
Oh, volatility is traded in MetaTrader 5.
Yes.
And then currency is in MetaTrader 4.
Yeah, even currencies can be there in MetaTrader 5, but the brokers that we have for currencies that are in MetaTrader 5, they are not good. A lot of good.
So volatility, it's not necessarily a currency.
It's not a currency.
So what is it?
It's just an index, synthetic.
Oh, it's indices. Okay.
Yes, you
indices.
Can on the what? On the even on weekends.
Yeah. Okay, it's fine. I get it.
So our Zoom meeting is going to end in 2 minutes. So when I do what? When I send a signal, as you can see, I can see here they are running fast. I want to show you something. I want to show you the calculator. I'll send you the link. Vindy Forex. You see this? Let me do under this 2 minutes here. This is my stop loss. Let me say I put my stop loss here. Yeah, let me put it here. And then I put my entry level here. I'm not going to use the, what we call the take profit. Understand? Let me do it faster before this thing can just cut me because of it's left with some minutes. And then I'm going to the calculator. This calculator, it will show me the what? How much I'm risking. Then this calculator.
I still don't understand how to put the money into your account.
Oh, I'll show you that. So my entry level will be on 5,397,0,52. And my stop loss is on 5,362. 2. Yeah, 92 and then comma 28. 28. And I write it like this. And then here we will write the lot size that you used to do what? To trade. Understand? I use 0,001. Here is telling me that if that market hit my stop loss, I'm going to I'm going to lose only $3.44. Understand? Let's try to put a stop loss. Let me say I put my stop loss here. And the line. when I put my stop loss here, let me say,
Mhm.
I need to cut me this swing meeting.